All right, so watch out for diesel spills. They're hard to spot. So rain, watch out for that. So a big old spot right there, road hazards. Got to be very careful with your braking, your acceleration. Make it smooth in the rain, okay? So moving forward right here. Oh, let's go back a little bit. I keep pausing. Sorry, guys. Let's watch it. All right, so we have this big bus gonna mess up our line of sight, trying to pass everybody. Oh, we got a lot of pedestrians. Whoa. What's your problem? Is that a you got punched in the face? So gotta watch out for people like that. Gotta watch out for them. Now it looks like she's already trying to get him moving and get him going. Possibly fell, maybe drunk. I don't know. She's trying to get him out of there. She's like, you know, you're embarrassing me at the bar. Come on, man. Just move on. All right, so watch out. We're getting way too close. Are we splitting people? Didn't realize that was gonna happen. Oh, it's his fault. Okay. So take a look at this right here. So we are in a good position. I would stay right here. You have good line of sight. You can see pretty far. Okay, so you can see way down there. You can see that car way ahead of this car. Way ahead of this car. So I would stay right here. This is an area that I'm comfortable with. Now what's going to happen is we're going to accelerate through here. And there's that brake light. Why is there brake lights? You know, you can see way ahead. There's nothing in front of him. Why is he applying the brake lights? This is kind of uncommon in a very common situation. That would push me more into the orange stage. Okay, specifically identified an interest. I'm perceiving a potential threat, but how do I get ready to act? That right hand. I'm going to get that right hand ready, cover those brakes, not apply them yet, cover them, maybe roll off the throttle to match this person's speed and see what's happening. I'm going to sit back. But what we're going to do here is, you know, this person's slowing down. I'm going to go ahead and get to this position and possibly go around them and do some lane filtering and do some shenanigans. You see how quick we got close to them? Let's take a look at that. Look how quick we got close to them. Once they apply the brakes, barely did anything. So you see his right hand starting to apply some brakes? Take a look at his right hand. As soon as he sees it. Come on now. There's that brake pressure, okay? So now we have total stopping distance from right here to here if we had to stop. We just have to slow down, though. So slow down as best you can. That car is going to slow down as best they can. Position yourself for safety. So this is a good spot. So if you absolutely had to, if you couldn't stop in time, you can lane filter through that. So this is a good spot. Very good. But I think what's happening here is like, well, I'm going to slow down because this person slowed down, but I'm going to wait for an opportunity to pass them. Don't do that passing part. Because look at, we're oh, so close. So close. And that's all because we wanted to pass. Now, we should have set ourselves up for success by getting to about right here and slowing down to match his speed. That's it. I don't want you changing lanes. I don't want you doing anything else. Get to here, apply some brakes to match his speed, and then position yourself to where if you had to, you can lane filter. But we're going to get to this point. Okay, cool. Let's say we couldn't stop in time. Lane filter it. Do what you have to do. But this is what happened. This is why everyone slowed down and stomped the brakes and tried to avoid a collision themselves, is because this big vehicle had an issue. Popped a tire or lost some cargo, whatever it was, but they pulled over. Caused this chain reaction of us almost hitting people. We didn't see them. It's because we had poor line of sight because of this vehicle. So I want you to take that into your mind, that if you have poor line of sight, there could possibly be an issue, especially with the other vehicle applying the brakes when there was no issue obvious to us. It's because we didn't see it. It's obvious to them, but not to us. And this also plays into, if we were this vehicle, let's say this is us as a motorcyclist, once this motorcycle is now a car, boom, hits us. There's that chain reaction. That's why you always watch out for behind you after you do something. So I hate it when people punch mirrors or they do stuff and then kind of stay next to them or stop and look at them and they're staring at the people that pissed them off. People behind you too. Watch out for them. I'm getting mad at him, huh?